Data cleaning in Power BI is essential for ensuring the accuracy and reliability of your reports and visualizations. Here's how to perform data cleaning effectively. Identify data issues. Review your dataset to identify any inconsistencies, errors, or missing values that need to be addressed. Common issues include duplicate records, incorrect data types, and null values. Filter and remove duplicates. Use Power Query Editor to filter out duplicate records based on selected columns. This ensures that each record in your dataset is unique and prevents inaccuracies in your analysis. Handle missing values. Address missing values by either replacing them with appropriate substitutes or removing them entirely if they cannot be accurately imputed. Standardize data formats. Ensure consistency in data formats by standardizing date formats, numeric values, and text strings across your dataset. This facilitates easier analysis and visualization. Transform data. Use Power Query Editor's transformation capabilities to clean and reshape your data. This includes renaming columns, splitting or merging columns, and performing calculations or aggregations as needed. Apply data quality rules. Implement data quality rules to enforce data integrity and validity. This may involve setting constraints on allowable values or ranges for certain fields. Test and validate. After cleaning your data, thoroughly test and validate the results to ensure that the changes made have not introduced any unintended consequences or errors.